Dad's in a nursing home and he's in a wheelchair, but something's going wrong and the wheelchair's just not working anymore. Let me tell you what my family did when we pimped out my dad's wheelchair so it was something that worked for him. Hi, I'm Erin Field. I'm a Connecticut personal injury lawyer with a statewide practice serving all of Connecticut. My dad was in a nursing home for 4.5 years before he died. He had dementia, and when he first went in the nursing home, he could sit up straight. He could actually do things. He couldn't walk anymore, but he could sit up straight on his own in his chair. As time went on, though, that changed. And we started to notice that sometimes when we would show up, he would kind of be like this in his wheelchair, or you'd straighten him back up again, and then, he would be like this before you knew it. So we finally said, gee, this isn't comfortable for him. We got to do something. And so my sister and I sat down and we talked about it, and we said, gee, there must be some way to make the wheelchair work for Dad. So we went to this medical supply store and we bought all these gadgets that were cushions for the armrests that had these little post things that came up so his hands wouldn't slide off. There was cushions all in the wheelchair so that all you had to do was put him in the wheelchair. And as we were doing this, I said to my sister, this is like that show on MTV, Pimp My Ride, but we're pimping Dad's wheelchair. So anyway, we got kind of a little charge out of that because we thought it was just a humorous way to approach the situation. And it was a happy day because when we put the leg braces in, so he could move his legs a little bit, but they weren't sliding off of the footrests on the bottom. He was comfortable. He could sit up straight now, and he could just have a place to put his hands, and he weren't just falling over. And even if one of the hands fell off, he was still up pretty straight. So why am I telling you this? Because if you have a parent in a nursing home, there are ways to make them feel really comfortable. So if you're in the situation and you need help, you probably have questions. So pick up the phone and call me. I'll be happy to answer your questions. I do this every day. I'm Erin Field. Thank you.